Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mr. Master English Today. I am Adam, and I am so happy you are here with me today. This podcast helps you learn real practical English for everyday life. Before we start, please leave a comment and introduce yourself. Tell me your name and where you're from. And if you're enjoying this podcast, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Today's topic is From Beginner to Breakthrough, my 30-day intensive English immersion challenge. By the end of this episode, you're going to understand what an immersion challenge is, why it works, and how you can improve your English in 30 days. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Let me tell you why this matters. Many people study English for months or years, but don't see the progress they want. They feel stuck. But when you immerse yourself in English every single day, something amazing happens. Your brain starts to think differently. You understand faster. You speak more naturally. And in just 30 days, you can have a breakthrough. A breakthrough means a sudden, important improvement. You don't need fancy words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need commitment and consistency. Let's start with the foundation. Immersion means surrounding yourself completely with something. Now you say it. Immersion. Good job. English immersion means you fill your day with English. You listen to English. You read English. You speak English. Now you repeat. I surround myself with English. Perfect. Example 1. You listen to an English podcast during breakfast. Example 2. You change your phone settings to English. Example 3. You watch TV shows in English. Now you try. I immerse myself in English every day. Excellent. Now let's talk about the challenge. A challenge is a difficult task that tests your ability. Now you say it. Challenge. Great. A 30-day challenge means you commit to doing something every day for 30 days. Now repeat. I commit to my English challenge. Good. Why 30 days? It's long enough to build a habit but short enough to stay motivated. Now, say this with me. I will practice English every day for 30 days. Well done. Let's learn how to talk about your level. We describe levels as beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now repeat each one. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, perfect. Say this after me. I am a beginner. Good. Now try. I want to go from beginner to intermediate. Great job. Example. Right now, I am a beginner, but I practice every day. Now you try making your own sentence about your level. Take your time. Good. Now let's talk about goals. A goal is something you want to achieve. Now you say it. Goal. Excellent. Now repeat. My goal is to improve my English. Perfect. Make your goals specific and realistic. Example 1. I will learn 50 new words in 30 days. Example 2. I will watch one English video every day. Example 3. I will practice speaking for 5 minutes daily. Now you try. My goal for this challenge is to practice speaking every day. Great. The word breakthrough is very powerful. A breakthrough is a sudden, important improvement. Now you say it. Breakthrough. Perfect. Now repeat. I want to have a breakthrough in my English. Excellent. Example. After practicing for weeks, I had a breakthrough and could understand native speakers better. Now you say, I am working toward my English breakthrough. Great job. Let me teach you about intensive practice. Intensive means very focused and concentrated. Now you say it. Intensive. Good. Now repeat. I practice English intensively. Perfect. Intensive is different from casual. Casual means relaxed. Intensive means serious and dedicated. Now try. I am doing intensive English practice for 30 days. Excellent. Let's talk about daily routines. A routine is what you do regularly every day. Now you say it. Routine. Good. Say this after me. Every morning I listen to English. Perfect. Now try. During breakfast I read English news. Great. And this. In the evening I practice speaking English. Excellent. Now create one sentence about your routine. Say, at this time I do this English activity. Good job. Let's practice how to explain your challenge. Imagine someone asks, what are you doing to improve your English? You say, I'm doing a 30-day intensive immersion challenge. Now repeat that. I'm doing a 30-day intensive immersion challenge. Perfect. Then add, every day, I surround myself with English. Now you say it. Good. And finish with, my goal is to have a breakthrough in my speaking skills. Now repeat. Excellent. Here are some common questions and answers. Question. How long is your challenge? Answer. My challenge is 30 days long. Now you say it. Good. Question. What do you do every day? Answer. I practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now repeat. Perfect. Question. Is it difficult? Answer. Yes, it's challenging, but I'm seeing progress. Now you try. Great. Let me give you practical tips. Tip 1. Start small and build up. Don't study 5 hours on day 1. Start with 30 minutes. Now repeat. I start small and build up. Good. Tip 2. Track your progress daily. Write down what you did each day. Now you say, I track my progress every day. Perfect. Tip 3. Mix different activities. Combine listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now repeat. I mix different English activities. Excellent. Tip 4. Celebrate small wins. When you complete 1 week, celebrate. Now you say, I celebrate my small wins. Well done. Here's your daily challenge. Today or tomorrow, plan your own 30-day challenge. Write down 3 activities you will do every day. Keep it simple. Maybe listen to a podcast, read for 10 minutes, practice speaking for 5 minutes. Write it down and start tomorrow. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. All right, my friend, we've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned about immersion, challenges, breakthroughs, and goals. We learned how to talk about your English journey. Remember, learning English is about showing up every day and practicing. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Keep practicing every day, even just for 5 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm proud of you for showing up today and learning with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.